Welcome to the Financial Statistics and Risk Management website. You are here most likely because you have a background in, say, mathematics, statistics, economics, computer science, engineering, finance, or other quantitatively oriented degree, and you are now considering enrolling in a master's program that will help you take that next big step towards your goal of securing a rewarding career as a quantitative financial analyst or risk manager. So, without further ado, let's get started. I am Dr. Neville O'Reilly, the Associate Director of the FSRM program, and I will walk you through a brief overview of our program and why it could very well be the master's level program you should enroll in. The industry's demand for the application of bottoms-up methods based on statistical data analysis and data mining techniques is partly a reaction to the experience of the 2007-2008 financial crisis. This was a period over which the relationships and correlations between market variables, both within and between asset classes, changed rapidly and significantly from their historical co-behavior. This caused traditional top-down complex mathematical models to perform badly. Bottom-up, data-driven methods allow analysis to better reflect changing financial data relationships. By teaching these methods, the FSRM program fills a gap created by the ongoing focus of traditional programs on top-down mathematical programming using partial differential equation techniques and econophysics. Shown here is the portfolio of analytical and career readiness skills training that the FSRM program provides to its students. This ranges from advanced statistical data analysis and data mining through advanced risk management to the inclusion of core finance and regulation knowledge, financial markets and trading instruments literacy, and soft skills career preparation. As I alluded to earlier, demand for the type of training delivered by FSRM comes from the financial services industry in recognition of the need for data-driven analysis and conclusions, a need largely unfilled by the traditional quant programs. It comes from all types of players, for all types of financial analysis, and also for risk management. The importance of risk management in particular has been raised by regulatory changes and stakeholder pressure that seeks to avert another crisis, and also from within financial institutions themselves as they seek to get better methods for identifying, measuring, and managing risk. Since we are attempting to sell you on our program, we need to state clearly its competitive differential and relevant uniqueness vis-a-vis other programs you could spend your money on instead. From the previous discussion, you probably can already put your finger on it. The FSRM approach is bottoms-up, driven by data mining and statistical data analysis, and reflects or extracts the information present in the data. Traditional quant programs are tops-down. They start with a model or theory of how the data should behave, and then seek to validate that behavior through observation. The latter approach is much like that of the physicists whose models tell them in advance that a Higgs boson has to exist in the data, and then they design an experiment or experiments to find the particle. However, there are no Higgs boson analogs in financial data. The so what of the FSRM differential advantage is stated in this chart, viz. The FSRM data-driven approach is more robust than the traditional top-down modeling approach. It does not require as big adjustments as the data and data correlations change. The FSRM approach is also more straightforward. As Yogi Berra once said, you can see a lot by looking. That is, staying on top of the patterns and changes in the data provides current and more accurate information. The FSRM approach strives to conclusions that are data-based, rather than based on a possibly abstract model. The FSRM approach is applicable to more financial areas. In fact, its methods apply to any financial area or non-financial area where there's uncertainty and risk that requires analysis and risk management. I hope that I have persuaded you to give serious consideration to enrolling in the FSRM Master's Degree Program as your next educational career step. You should do that given that your passion is a rewarding career in financial data analysis or risk management. You want to develop a fungible set of quantitative skills applicable broadly across financial services. You want to participate in an exciting and supportive, even if demanding, learning environment that includes both academic and practical training components. You may want to receive career development support as necessary.